So when we're creating a use case diagram, what do we have? We mentioned now that we have a system boundary. Inside the system boundary at the top, we can write the name of our system, and in this case we said it's going to be self serve fast food system. Okay. Do we know that on the left hand side we're going to have our primary actors, on the right hand side with our secondary actors? An actor is really just a stick figure which we now have there for human. He doesn't have a smiley face or any funny thing from it. With the name of the actor written underneath, manager, customer, cashier. Now, what use cases can a manager do? They can select to log into the system. Now, use cases are represented by a ellipse inside the system boundary with the name written underneath. Now, because the manager is initiating the communication, we can draw the line going that side with a arrowhead pointing towards the use case. The customer and the cashier is not required to log into the system. They don't need to make any changes. So another use case we mentioned was to manage the menu items. Manage menu items, and again the manager is responsible. He is the one doing this. What is the customer doing? He is adding an item. So there we make payment, select language, and then we also said to place an order. And this can either be done by the customer or the cashier. Again, the customer can select to the language or even to place the order. Now even the cashier can select a different language option or to place an order for a customer. Now there was a secondary actor which we introduced, and that actor was the order processing system. So with the order processing system, once we make a payment, we are interacting with this, and our arrowhead is pointing towards the actor because it is the actor is in this case a passive actor. The system in terms of our use case is starting the communication. He is talking to our actor. Okay. Then we also had a cash accepting machine. Okay. Again, the make payment use case is interacting with our actor in order to do this. So guys, what we've done here is we've created our use case diagram. This can possibly be structured and drawn nicely. You will see I'm not an artist, so I've done it to the best of my ability at this point. But what we've done here is we've identified the actors, we've identified the use cases, and we've also drawn the communication associations, and we placed our use cases nicely inside our system boundary. Your system has a nice name that describes what is the system doing. Okay. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this and it was helpful. Okay.